Hello everyone, welcome back to Nandhuz Equity, equity focused wealth creation awareness channel. Today we are going to have a mouth watering topic. Yes, we are going to talk about Biryani, basmati rice and the exporters of basmati rice from India. Who doesn't like biryani? Whether non-vegetarians or vegetarians, both like biryani, especially biryanis made from basmati rice. Earlier days in Bangalore, there were hardly few restaurants where we can go for authentic biryani. But in the recent times, we have authentic biryani available from all over the country in one place. Any street you go, you can find one authentic biryani seller. So the hype and the consumption of basmati rice based biryani has been steadily going. It's been phenomenally increasing, in fact. So the new normal at home is also preparing biryani almost every weekend, or at least order from outside, and when we order it's mostly biryani. Rice is the most commonly used staple food in India and also throughout Asia in particular. So it has a lot of history, and a variety of foods can be prepared using rice, and particularly export of rice has been increasing phenomenally from India. So rice exporters of India has some unique opportunities, and there are several players in terms of rice exporters, both listed and unlisted companies. We are going to see the major listed companies and what would be ideal for small investors to invest. So in the financial year 2022, India has an around 45% share in global rice trade, exported more than 21 metric ton of rice valued at $9.6 billion. Without any doubt, India is the largest and number one exporter of rice in the world. So, India, we produce various varieties of rice, including basmati and non-basmati rice, and has a significant share in the global rice trade. The three major countries like Nepal, United States, United Arabian Emirates are the three major countries. They import rice from India. It's been reported that there are 10,000 varieties of rice in the world, and out of which the maximum number are in India. These are the five major listed rice exporters in India. KRBL tops in the list. LT Foods are even called as Daawat. Kohinoor has been taken over by Adani recently, and Chamanlal Setia exports. These are the top 5 companies that export rice in India. LT Foods is known for its flagship brand called Daawat, which offers a wide range of basmati and non-basmati rice products, both highly consumed in India, outside India. LT Food has a diverse product portfolio, includes a variety of rice-based snacks, organic rice, rice bran oil, and other products. Let's look at its core fundamentals. It has a market cap more than 4,000 crores, and its current price is at 118, high being 136, low being 66.5, and it has a very good stock PE at 10.2 versus the industry PE of 40.8. Book value is really good, 79.4. Intrinsic value is also very good, 192. We cannot expect high dividend from these kind of small cap companies, but still 0.85% is still good, and it has a decent return on capital and return on equity, and it definitely has some debt. It's almost like about 25% of its compared to its market capital. So the debt equity ratio is at 0.44. So the fundamentals are quite decent from a small cap company, and we need to also check the technicals before we take a call on this. Let's quickly have the technicals. So they do not call it as LT Foods, it's Daawat, as that was the brand name from the beginning. So we are seeing the 6 months period, then we can also look at 1 month, 1 year period. I clearly see a kind of a pattern here. Maybe I can draw. I see a triangle pattern here, and recently it is breaking out. So technicals are good, and volume, I think it has started gradually increasing. So let's look at the moving average. So it's all about 200 and 300 day moving average. So if you look at the 5-year graph, so during the time of COVID, it has come down to the lowest of its, I think the initial times lowest it has come. So that's the time I really noticed this particular stock, because I saw a higher consumption of rice, particularly basmati rice. And I heard about this particular name. Whenever I ordered biryani from any kind of restaurants, and also whenever I ordered in particular basmati rice, I came across the name Daawat. That's how I started noticing about this particular stock. So from then it kept on going up, and so from a 5 years point of view or all-time point of view, it is very close to its 52-week high. And during the time of 2017-18, it started falling. And after 2020 COVID recovery, it started going higher highs. And it crossed during 2022, it crossed its all-time high. So overall, from a technical point of view, if you look at from a 6 months or 1 year point of view, there is a good triangle pattern that is kind of breaking out, and we can wait and see. I think we can even wait for the results, quarterly results. So that will be a good opportunity compared to other peers like KRBL or Kohinoor. This always seems to be a better choice. This peer comparison impressed me, comparing LT Foods with the market player KRBL. So LT Foods has a lot of positive, whether it is revenue, net profit or operating profit. All are very good, and KRBL did not play well for the last 3 years. Also, I have gone through some of the news about KRBL and its promoters. They were involved in some litigation, so that's why KRBL went down a lot. And as small investor, I always want to pick something that does not have any kind of news, bad news in particular. So LT Foods really wins out of all other rice exporters in listed company category. However, we should always be mindful while investing in these kind of commodity specific stocks, and I'm going to quickly recap some of the key points what we need to do when we figure out a good commodity based stock. So invest only 2.5 to 5% of overall capital in these kind of stocks. Do not put all your eggs in the same basket, and always combine the fundamental and technical analysis and wait for the right time. And if you feel that you do not know when is the right time to enter, always go in the SIP mode. And commodity based stocks may go through cyclicals. especially these kind of rice and oil and those kind of companies. Weather conditions play a very important role. A drought or flood both can cause severe impact to financials. Always consult your financial advisor before investing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment.